students and parents. How are you? This is maths for grade 1 of term 1, third week, secondary lesson. In this lesson, we're going to see number systems. Okay? In the week, we have comparing numbers. Last time, in the previous class, we already started comparing, right? Comparing numbers, amounts, can be objects. Okay? This one also, we continue that one, and our discussion page is page 16. And I'm Mr. Mathematician. Before we start, let's see our objectives. At the end of this, you will be able to count numbers by skipping. Okay? This lesson, numbers by skipping. You know what skipping means? It can be by 2, by 3, by 5, or by 10. We have seen this last time. And also you identify order of natural in all numbers. That comes before, after, and in between. Okay, this is what you can see. Now let's revise before we start. Last time, as I told you, we already start and compare different amounts in numbers. So here also you have more exercises. So as you have said, here you have 3 comparing signs. The first one is, you can say greater than, bigger than, or more than, you can say. And also the second, you can say less than. Okay, you say less. And the third one is equal sign. By using these 3 comparing signs, we compare different amounts. And also we have seen this. Mr. Alligator was comparing on numbers and amounts. Okay, he was looking for biggest amount. So we have been seeing the video of Mr. Alligator. Okay, when he compares numbers, when he preferred numbers. And I have given you one homework based on the video and the examples that we have discussed. So let's do it and then we start today's class. Okay, what's the first one? The first one is 9. So what sign should be put in this box, in this black space, since 9 is greater than 2. So which one is it? Excellent. If you say greater, that is correct. So you put 9 here again and 2 here, and then what word should be written here? Greater or more, or bigger. So you can use here the word more. Okay, more here. 9 is more than 2, or I can write it here. You can say here more. Okay, more. Or you can write it. If you want here more. Okay, that is correct. This is the answer. More than 2. Next, here you have 12. Is it less? It's greater. Less or greater? Which one is it? Good. If you say less, that is correct. Excellent. Again, here 12 is what? 12 is less. You write here less. Okay? So the right answer is less. And next one. Again you have what? 8 here. And 6 here. 8 is greater than or less than? Good. If you say greater, that is correct. Excellent. So now put here again the numbers 8 here, 6 here, and 8 is what? You can say greater than, okay, or more than. So the word is more here. You use more than 6. You can say more than. So more. Okay. Right answer. And next, again you have 10 here, 20 candies. Is it 10 or is it 20? Which one is great? 20, yes. So we use this sign. And number 10 here, number 20 here. And what sign should be? Less. You write here less than. Okay, less than here. Less. Next, again here you have 14 and 4. Which one is greater? 14, yes. So 14 is greater. Good job. So again, you put here 14 and 4 here, and 14 is more than. You put here more than. Okay, more than. So this was your homework. Now let's continue today's class. As I said before, our objectives are skip counting and comparing. Yes, the first one is skip counting. When you say skip counting, it can be by 2, by 3, by 5, even by 1, by 5, by 10. Okay, different skip counting techniques are there. Okay? In this case, we only see by 2 and by 5. Okay, so say for example, in the case of this order, we have a difference of 2 in each consecutive numbers. So within 1 and 3, there is a gap or an interval, a difference of 2. Also here between 2 and 4, there is a difference of 2. So these numbers are written in skip counting. Okay, so this listing skip counting. Okay, we call it skip counting. And even on odd, let's see what even and odd means. Even numbers, as you have said, even numbers are numbers that can be divisible by 2, okay, or end with these digits 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Ending numbers, their ending numbers are this, either of this. And also when you say odd, these numbers cannot be divided by 2, and or they end with this number, either 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Let's see it in detail. When we say even numbers up to 20, here you have even numbers up to 20, and these numbers, as you can see, all are divisible by 2, right? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, all these numbers, and also there is a difference of 2 in each consecutive 2 numbers. Okay? So as you can see, all these numbers are divisible by 2, and also they end with what? These digits. 10, its ending number is 0. 12 is its ending point number is 2. 14 is 4. 16 is 6. 18 is 8. 20 is 0. Okay, so these numbers are ending numbers of this one. Odd, these odd numbers cannot be divisible by 2. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. All these numbers cannot be divisible or end with 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Is it clear? Good. Now let's continue. Let me show you with this diagram how you can count skipping, or how you can represent odds and evens. First, let me show you odd numbers using green color. First one is odd, and also 3, and there is also 5. There is a difference of 2 in each, and also there is 7, 9. What are evens? Using yellow color. And lastly, you have 10. Here, these are odd numbers between 1 up to 10. Numbers between 1 up to 10. And also even numbers between numbers 1 up to 10. Even numbers between 10. There are 2, 4, 6, and 10. And also we can continue with this in this pattern. And next one is a video. The next one is video, which can show you counting by 2. Okay, skip counting by 2, how it looks. So take a look at this, watch the video, and then we will do the class works. Okay, students, I hope the video helped you what skip counting by 2 means. Yes. So now here is you have class work. Okay, on page 16 you have exercises that you're going to do. Here is your class work. Okay, class work. Okay, the first one is how many mittens? How many mittens are given here? You count. Okay, this is counting questions. The first one is you have 2 pairs. You have 4 pairs here. Okay, 4 pairs means totally you have how many? 8. Okay, based on this, try to do all. And also you have how many boots? Number 3, how many socks? Number 4, what number come next in this pattern? 16, 18, what next? Number 5, what number comes next in this pattern? What number come next in this pattern? 26, 28, 30, dash. Number 6, put these numbers in order. Put these numbers in order. 16, 20, 18, 22. Which numbers? When you put these numbers in order, what will be the answer? Number 7, put these numbers in order. You have given here 4 numbers. You arrange them in order. You have the answers here. And also here you have which number doesn't belong to this. Doesn't belong. Okay, the correct it is not full here, but you can see it from you working. You have says not, doesn't belong to. So from the given numbers which doesn't belong. Now here to do this you have 10 minutes, so start your class work. Okay, you can pause the video if you want. You can pause. When you finish you can start it. Alright students, now let's see the answers. Here you have the answers. The first one, as I said, before, first one is how many mittens? Okay, it says how many mittens. You have 4 pairs here, so 4 pair means 8 total, or you can count. Number 2, how many boots? Again, here you have a pair of boots, so you have how many pairs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pair means 8 plus 8, which is 16. And number 3, how many socks? How many socks? You have again pairs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You have 12 pairs of socks. 12 pair means 12 plus 12, okay? 24 total. And number 4, what number come next in this pattern? 16, 18, increasing by 2, okay? The number are increasing by 2. So when you are 2 to 18, it will be 20. Yes, it is keep counting by 2. And number 5, what number come next in this pattern? 26, 28, 30. Here also keep counting by 2. Okay, counting by 2. So you are 2. Here it becomes 32. 30 plus 2, 32. Put these numbers in order. What comes first? 16. Next, 18. Third, 20. And lastly, 22. And number 7, put these numbers in order. 88, 90, 86, 92. What comes first? 86. Next, 88, 90, 92. Here also, keep counting by 2. And then last you have which number doesn't belong to this order? The number is what? You have 26 here, again 28, 30. The numbers, as you can see, they are increasing by 2 or it's counting by 2. So you add 2 to each. So when you add 30, when you add 2 to 13, it becomes 32. So 31 doesn't belong to this member. Okay, so it should be avoided. So the answer is A. 31 doesn't belong. So the number is 31. This is your classwork. Now, before I give you homework, one more example. Let's summarize, okay, what we have discussed. Here, as we have said, we have seen comparing. We have seen comparing. Here you have 3 comparing signs: greater than, you can say more than, or you can say bigger than, and also you have less than and equal. And another thing, we have seen skip counting by 2, how it looks, and also even in odd numbers. What are evens in odds means? So with this, try to do one more exercise here. I will give you one which is about arranging, okay, arranging numbers in order. Here you have given numbers to arrange, okay, arrange the given numbers in order. You can arrange from the biggest to the smaller, or from the smaller to the biggest, based on the numbers given. So this is your homework. With this we end up our class. So thank you for watching and listening. See you in the next.